guys, welcome back to another Allure beauty box unboxing. It's been a while because your girl fell behind in her unboxing videos and a few of these piled up, and then my stupid ass couldn't remember what month was which because it doesn't say. So I had to go back through my emails with the sneak peeks of what's in the boxes to figure out which one's which, because I have 3 that I need to do, so, and May's will be here soon, so it's like, I need to get the frick on this. So, here's the February one, and let us go ahead and open it. So we have our little booklet here, and it says, making time. I'm working from home with a 1-year-old, and there are days when I can barely shower, let alone blow-dry my hair. So I've been reaching for a mix of quick-fix products and more indulgent ones. When I do have a few minutes to myself, I'm determined to make them count. That's what you'll find in your box this month. My secret for perfectly air-dried hair is in here, alongside fancy skincare worth luxuriating over. Plus a moisturizer, exfoliator, brightener, and one that's so good that it is sold out multiple times. Luckily, you've gotten in for getting your hands on one. Okay. So, first thing in here, and I believe this is the full size, is the U Beauty Resurfacing Compound, which, holy frick, $148 for 1 ounce! And yes, this is the full size 1 ounce. Holy shit. So, spendy little thing. Especially given that I think we only pay like 20-something bucks for the Allure box, and yet $148 value, and that's just 1 item! That's just 1 item. Okay. I've dealt with hyperpigmentation for as long as I can remember. My pimples have a way of leaving dark spots behind. This serum has many of the brightening, smoothing ingredients I look for, including vitamin C, alpha-hydroxy acids, and retinol, plus clarifying witch hazel and hydrating vitamin E. I applied a few pumps, topped it with a basic moisturizer, and I am happy to report that after a few days my complexion was looking all around brighter. My combination skin is generally tough enough to withstand experimenting, but retinol can still be irritating. I was relieved that this serum left no tingling or tightness, definitely a new serum for my glass skin goals. So, I've recently been playing with retinol. I finally got brave enough. I also, recently bought this guy, because apparently I'm officially an old person now, and I've been using it each night. I have been learning that my skin really likes retinol, so apparently I should have good luck with this guy. So, apply 1 pump morning and night atop clean skin, massage in gently, and finish with a moisturizer. If sensitivity or dryness occurs, use every other day. Avoid applying oil-based products beneath the compound. Oil can inhibit compound absorption and cause pilling. Avoid the use of other resurfacing products. Always use sun protection. So, that's the thing. We'll review that at a later time. So, then we have the Christoph Robin Daily Hair Cream, which I believe this is also full size and retails for $43, which, again, $25 box, full size products. We've got that guy, we got this guy. Holy shit balls. The value, it is unreal, and I am in love. So, I've always been a fan of air drying, but now that I'm in my late 30s, boy, I can relate. My hair is a little drier and a lot fuzzier. You would never know it though, and not just because I rarely leave my apartment anymore. This silicone-free leave-in with hydrating, smoothing ingredients like glycerin and apricot kernel oil lets me air dry without frizz or puffiness. But my favorite way to use it is on clean, dry hair post-drying. I'll rake a dollop through the lengths and then run what's left on my fingers over my roots. I get a kick out of watching the instant transformation from fuzzy to shiny, like a hair commercial that plays out in my own bathroom. Hey, it's the little things these days. Dude, if that testimonial's to be believed, this may be my new best friend. Ooh, boy, okay. So then, we have the Floss Lip Advocate in your honor. Retails for $18, and I think this is also full-sized. Let's look at it. Yeah, that's full-size, baby. Ooh, I'm into that color. Fuck yeah. Alright. So. I know you're probably wondering why I would wear a lip color when most people are only seeing my eyes, but hear me out. The sheer crayon is much more than just a pretty hue. The formula is made with shea butter, so it keeps lips soft and hydrated without cracks. The berry wash is so flattering and it layers well. I apply 1 coat when I'm looking for a subtle tint, and 2 or 3 when I want a more vibrant effect. In the to be reviewed pile with my other lippies, right over there. Okay, so next one, ooh, what we got? Is this the same one? It's a different picture than they use, but okay. This is the Medeca Derma Revitalizing Mask. Apparently, these retail for $20 for a pack of 10. I just have 1, but, you know, I love my sheet masks, so I'm happy with this. I haven't left my home in 15 days, or maybe it's been 20. With all that time indoors, my finicky skin is drier than ever and randomly reddens and flakes. Fun! So I've been using Medeca's sheet mask, drenched in moisturizing and calming ingredients, including Elanjuan and Centella Asiatica. I tear open the sachet, smooth the essence-soaked cotton fabric over my clean, dry skin, watch a rerun of The Office, then pull the mask off to reveal hydrated dewiness. I like to rub in the excess essence to really get the most out of it. A week later, I start the process all over again. Sounds good enough. Let's see here. This is definitely an itty-bitty little sample size of a full-size product. Full size is $25, but this is the La Roche-Posay Anti-Thelios Melt-in Milk Sunscreen SPF 100, which, honestly, I have been looking at recently. I have been looking at it. Knowing the cardinal rule of skincare, wear sunscreen every day, and following it are 2 different things. To stick to it, I've made it a priority to start the day with this formula, even when I'm staying indoors. Windows don't block the UVA rays that break down collagen and stimulate excess pigment. This sunscreen reminds me of a sophisticated lotion, so it keeps my SPF ritual feeling like self-care rather than a chore. It's silky, fragrance-free, and infused with antioxidants and moisturizers. Plus, it lives up to its melt-in name. There's no chalkiness on me or my colleagues with dark skin, or excess rubbing required. That alone to me may make this replace my Neutrogena, because that does feel chalky and it drives me nuts. If this can do the thing, yeah, I think I need to invest in the full size of that. And then finally the last thing in here is another little sample size. The full size of this retails for $110, but it's the L'Occitane Immortelle Divine Cream. I had a bunch of yellow Immortelles on my desk for 2 years, and they were always sunny and bright. The flowers are famous for retaining their color after they dry out, but I'd never tried them in skincare. Turns out their essential oil, along with the other botanical oils in this cream, evening primrose and sunflower, to name 2, makes my skin glow, giving the high points of my face a pretty dewiness and my cheeks a healthy-looking rosy flush. A little goes a long way. I use a pea-sized dollop for my whole face, and the flowery scent is reminiscent of classic French skincare. Ooh, I'm gonna enjoy that, but at the same time, it's like, I am not spending like $100 to get the full size. That ain't happening, so I will enjoy this, and when it's gone, apparently it's just gone. But yeah, that is what I got in the February box. That is an amazing value for what we pay to get these. Just saying. So, anyway guys, that is it for this one. So as usual, you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe. Hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. Leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my Etsy, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it and get your name on the end card for a month from the time of donating, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway guys, till next time, bye-bye.